It was towards the end of winter and my furnace was on its last leg. I didn't want to take any chances to be without heat for the winter time. The snow didn't stop Randazzo from installing my new furnace and AC, and hey, they shoveled my driveway. Last summer, my AC went out as well, and I didn't want to chance not having an AC for the summer, so I also got an air conditioning unit. They only use the best, Milwaukee. There's something missing. They found a bad live wire in my house, which was sitting next to some wood, actually burning into the home. Luckily, they removed it and shut off the power source. You can see right there the burn mark. Wow, it's so much smaller than what I'm getting now. That's a 3.5 and I'm getting a 4-ton. Look at that. Wow, everything I'm getting is a lot bigger, but it should be better for my home.
Piece you're talking. Have it into that spot where the ground goes in, right? And then yeah, you can do this. Go into that lug, and then put your what do they call the split? Here it comes, full blast.
Here's a final look at everything installed. They have everything taped up nicely. That's the humidifier for the winter time. Everything's clean. And then on this side, ignore my plant there, but you can see up here they did a really good job labeling stuff too, which I appreciate. Coming down, looks like everything's sealed really good. This pipe right here was originally sitting right here, so you had to come in and duck, which was really annoying. They did that, lifted it up, made it that I don't have to hit my head while coming in here. And here's the furnace itself. I'm so happy how this turned out. And obviously paperwork there, just subtle things, and then obviously the filter. But this turned out pretty good. Let me show you the air conditioner outside. Coming over here is the air conditioner. It's a lot bigger than our other one. They originally had a 3.5 ton in here, which could barely supply the house. Now they put a 4-ton in, and it looks pretty nice. I'll show you the work over here that they did. Everything's sealed up nicely over here as well. Down below. Here's a quick look at the before photos of everything.